life conversations. Meeting someone.
Hi, how's your day going?
It's going great, thanks for asking.
Asking for help.
Excuse me, could you help me with this?
Of course. What do you need? What do
Small
you do?
talk.
What do you do for a living?
I work as a graphic designer. You?
Planning.
Are you free this weekend?
I think so. What's the plan? What do you think about this movie?
To be honest, it was a bit boring.
Asking directions.
Is the library near here?
Yes, it's just around the corner.
Expressing gratitude.
Thank you so much for your support.
Don't mention it, I'm happy to help.
Checking in.
Are you feeling okay today?
Yes, I'm feeling much better now.
Showing interest.
That sounds like a great idea.
I'm glad you like it.
Making suggestions.
Why don't we go for a coffee?
That sounds perfect.
Apologizing.
I'm sorry I'm late.
No worries, I just got here too.
Talking about hobbies.
What do you do in your free time?
I really enjoy reading books.
Agreeing.
I totally agree with you.
See, we think the same.
Disagrees gently.
I see your point, but I disagree.
That's fair. Everyone has an opinion.
Giving compliments.
You look great today.
Thank you. That's so kind of you.
Talking about weather.
It's beautiful weather today, right?
I know. I love it when it's sunny.
Asking for clarification.
Sorry. Could you say that again?
Sure, I said. It's time to go.
Expressing excitement.
I'm so excited about the trip.
Me too. It's going to be amazing.
Saying goodbye.
It was nice talking to you.
Same here. Let's talk soon.